everyone to follow the series of cheeseburgers. Today I'm making another cheeseburger. You can see it's torn and badass. Please come to the kitchen with me. We doing it together. So delicious. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe for your support. For the patty, I use this beef chucks. I use beef chuck because it has meat, lean meat, fat, and tendon. So it will be very nice without too much fatty. You can see the grain there, so I will cut across the grain so that the beef will be tender. We are going to grind the beef, so if you can recognize the grains, that will be okay. But if you cut across against the grain like this, the beef will be more tender. Just like this. So to season, to add the flavor to the patty, I use garlic, shallots, and ginger. Not so much. By the way, this is the recipe for one serving. That means one burger. If you want to see the whole recipe written, head to the description box below. If you follow me for a long time, you know that every food that I put out, there is a recipe in the description box. So 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, half a shallot, 2 slices of ginger, and I mince them, and now I will put them together with the meat and grind them. You don't need to grind to be very fine, as long as they can hold the shape when you make a patty. To season the meat, I do very simple, salt and ground black pepper. That's what a lot of restaurants do. Now I make a patty and set aside. This string potato will be coming to be the component of my burger, so I use an apple core machine to make string potato. And I sprinkle with tempura butter powder because I want my string potato crispy when it go inside the burger. You can see it's it's crispy now. You need to flip once or twice. Now let's prepare the bun. This is I cut in half, firstly. If you want to make a burger, you can use a cutting board, but I'm reluctant to wash them, so I cut just holding like this. You can see because it's sourdough, it's very nice bread. It has an air pocket in there. You can see it's stretchy. If you want to see how I make a hamburger buns, head to see the other video, or I can put the link in the description box for your preference. Now on my skillet, I melted a tablespoon of butter, and I toast the bun both sides to be so that they are crispy and flavorful, fatty. Because when it comes to hamburger, it's very fatty and calorie. If you don't need to count calorie, you just want satisfaction. That's all you do. Butter. Now the bun is satisfied, crispy and golden brown upside. Now I go ahead and fry my burger patty. 2 minutes each side, and then cover and 2 minutes more. So I mean 6 minutes total to cook the beef so that the beef is cooked through. Now I use the cheddar cheese here. I cut the 2 slices to make 1 slice, but I put on top like this. Normally the restaurant, they will put on top and use the cover to cover so that the cheese melting. But I only cook the burger, the beef, so I don't want to overcook them, so I remove the cheese and put directly on the skillet. And you can see, and you will see that I will make 1 cheese patty together. Now for the aioli, I use mayo, chili sauce, and mustard sauce. Just 1 tablespoon with half a tablespoon of the other each, and I spread it on the burger buns. The beef went in, the cheese went in, the red onion sliced on, and then now the crispy potato. And I need a skewer to secure them. Tell me you like to eat this. Please share my video and subscribe. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye bye.